Hey, what's up everybody? Today we got a little bit of a special experience for you. We are on location at Floco Processing. There's a prior graduate here who has quite the success story. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna kind of see what his day-to-day job life is like. So let's get in and check it out.
My name is Vern Sporing, and I'm the Productions Operations Manager here at Floco Process. Getting into welding gave me the ability to travel, get out of Cincinnati for a little while, hit the road after 6 months, and you remember that's exactly what I did. I went everywhere. I went all over God's green earth, building ethanol plants, chemical plants, biodiesel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, steel mills. Lord have mercy, the list goes on and on, right? So, man, it's just, you don't always have that opportunity and ability to do that unless you learn a trade. Even guys with college education don't always have that ability to get a career path that gives them the ability to just go out and experience the world, right? Just go experience it. I would not be where I'm at right now if I didn't hit the road and do it all, right? As soon as you meet those 50, 60-year-old welders that are just quote-unquote welders, I knew that's not what I wanted to do. I knew that wasn't it. And I knew if I wanted to do more, I needed to learn everything. And best advice is don't just be a welder. Do whatever you can. And now at the point I'm at in my career, I know more about electrical and controls than I ever thought I would have known. Don't be timid to learn and do other things. Be open to do that. Everybody has a role and a place under the sun. I can teach anybody that's willing to learn or do anything. That's what keeps you on job sites from the time it starts to the time it finishes. If you're that guy that will do absolutely anything and not complain about it at all. Just do it with a smile on your face. I oversee everything that happens back here in the shop. Some days I might be welding, some days I might be cutting material, some days I might just be getting guys the material that they need to build, but I'm always doing something here. Whatever is needed to get a product out the door as quickly as possible, I'll fall in the cracks where I need to and do whatever, right? We had a crazy good year last year. I started in April of last year, and was able to, in just a couple months' time, we were so slammed, I hired 3 of my buddies to come and work back here too as well, right? Our goal here is to be the premier fluid handling skid builders in North America. Whatever you need built, we have the ability here to design and build. And not many places have that ability to do that under the same roof. It's just a team, it's a team atmosphere. And here, as you guys have experienced with us, that team environment is thick and it's heavy. We break bread together here. We cook in the shop a couple times a week, just like we did at campgrounds when I was traveling the country or hotel parking lots. We have that same family environment, and that's important to have, that a lot of bosses don't particularly pay too much attention to. Let's see, any last pieces of advice? Put yourself out there, work hard. Don't be afraid to do new things, right? You're not just a welder, don't let anybody tell you that. You're far more than that. There's plenty of guys that will call guys just a welder. And I still tell people that I'm a welder by trade proudly. I never claimed to be a pipe fitter. But be proud of what you are doing at welding school and know that there's a bright future if you keep on to it.